Welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Pankaj Ratnaparki. Once again, we are going to discuss about the plastic product design, in which we are going to cover the 3D CATIA 3D, in which we had already discussed in the previous videos about the part design and 3D modeling. Today, we are going to do a drafting of a tutorial too. So here is our task to draft our component as like this. So we are going to cover the top view, front view, side view and isometric view with respect to the section view. So first of all, we will discuss how we are created the 3D. So those are the few steps. You can refer the previous video also for creating the 3D modeling. So those are the few steps for which we followed and created a 3D model. So let's start the drafting process from here. So this is our existing 3D model for which we are going to create a drafting. So here we are in the drafting environment. So first of all, select the plane front view. So here is the front view. So I just increases the scale of our component front view. So now the scale is 2:1. So let's start giving the dimensions to our component. This is the 65 mm, 60 mm, 18 mm. So let's give the angle here 20°. So from axis to axis distance 105 mm. So this center distance 30 mm. The width of that step is 24 mm. Now let's give the Z direction. So it is around 37 mm. The bigger diameter 60 mm diameter. So we'll apply the symbol here. So those are some settings for drafting. You can also do. tutorial, I think lot of dimensioning, how we can give the dimensions from circle to the section views, it is already covered. So you can refer this tutorial for preparation, interview preparation, because in the interviews you know that we have to create a 3D modeling, and the drafting is most important. So if you are taken much more time for drafting, then it is not good, because if you are expert in a 3D creation, but you don't have the much more much more practice on a drafting, then it will also create some issues while cracking the interview. So guys, refer this video for giving the best dimensions as per technically and industrial requirements. So in the previous video, in the next coming video, I will cover the detail of a dimensioning, tolerancing and symboling also. So that GD&T lecture we will cover in the next 2 to 3 videos. So a lot of comments also came for my YouTube channel that please create the videos on a GD&T. So we'll do also it. So here we are going to take a top view for our component. So the remaining dimension will cover in this. So this is the packaging dimensions. Here now all the dimensions are easily visible. For that we increase the font size. Now the isometric view is pending. We'll manage it and we'll take isometric view. Okay. So now let's take the isometric view. So here the isometric view. Again we'll go into properties and we'll increase the scale 2:1. Yes. So guys, here we had created the drafting for our 3D component: front view, side view, section view, isometric view and top view. Thank you for watching the video. This video is totally depends upon the previous video that was how to create the 3D modeling, and today we had covered that how to draft the 3D model in the CATIA. So guys, be connecting with us, watch our YouTube channel continuously. Do not forget to hit the bell icon, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys.